Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we'll guide you through the installation process for the Legacy Desktop Portal version 4. Before you begin, ensure you have Windows 7 or later and .NET Framework version 4.5 plus. The portal and installers are 32-bit applications, so everything runs under Program Files or x86. The exe installer places the portal in Program Files and creates desktop shortcuts for all users. For silent installation, use /silent or /very silent, and to enable auto start, include /tasks equals quote auto start end quote. I've confirmed the path of my exe installer is as follows. I will run command prompt as an administrator and execute the following command. Shortly after, my DD Portal Installer shortcut is available on my desktop. When updating from legacy versions, always uninstall older versions unless you're already on version 3.x. For legacy version 2.x, a CLI uninstaller is available. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. And that's it. Installing the Legacy Desktop Portal version 4 is quick and efficient with these steps. Follow our guide to ensure a smooth setup. Thanks for watching.